So I got a little project that I'm working on right now. I gotta dig her out. And I'll finally, maybe in the next couple of days or so, be able to get to work on her. And actually maybe get her road legal. But as you guys can see, it's still snowy covered. But I am literally in just pajamas and a t-shirt. Literally, that's all I'm in. It's literally all I'm in. And I will post another video once she's undug. Also, if you're one of my friends that have followed back and who have also followed me, there will be intermittent videos between this one that are friends only, for just friends to see, for any progress updates. So this is a part 2 to my last video. As I said, I'm working on unveiling that. And my little sister is also helping. If you are a friend of mine, you'll be seeing progress update videos with her in them. Those will literally be set as friends only. And if you ask to see my little sister, I will just block your ass. Because that's not okay. Just make that very clear. So once again, unveiling this car at the end of on its own video. Progress updates will be posted, friends only. And if you ask to see my little sister, I will just block you. Have a good day. So I got a progress update for you. I got this side finally undug, along with all the snow off the top and all the snow off the side. So now, it'll only be like a second for you guys, but I'm gonna go ahead and take the rope off the tarp, or it should say undo the rope on the tarp, and then I will see you here in a few seconds. Okay, so for me, it's probably been about a couple of minutes. For you guys, it's time for the reveal. Bet you ain't seen one of these in a while. Oh, classic car. So my phone died on my last one, so I couldn't really do anything on that one. But I went ahead and finished uncovering her with the help of a little friend / sister. Again, don't ask because you're not going to see her. But this is the car in all her glory. It's a 1973 Lincoln Continental, which is a 4-door coupe. So, as soon as I get more power to my phone, I will give you guys a tour. Show you what's under the hood, and show you the interior. Just how much work I have extra to do. So, peace. What's going on, everyone? Phoenix Firebird here. As I said, if you're here for my TikTok, welcome to my page. But as I said before, I will be trying to see if I can get this car to start. I will be using that vehicle right there to try and get that vehicle there started. Let's see if she will run. If not, well, you will be jumping her. So first things first, like I said, I'm going to try is to get her started without hooking her up to jumper cables. If she don't start, that's when I bring in the second vehicle. So as expected, she did not start, so I'm going to have to pull up a second vehicle and hook up the jumper cables, see if I can get her to start. Let's go ahead and move you guys closer. And now we see if she'll start. Well, the good news is she's kind of turning over, but at the same time she's not. I'd say we'll give her a little bit of time on the battery charger, hooked up to another vehicle, and we'll give it another shot. Attempt number 2. That was definitely a good sign. Starting may not be bad after all, but she's got a dead battery. So I'm gonna have to put the battery on the charger for a little bit and let it sit, fly for about a couple of hours, and then give it another shot. So the other thing else that I'm probably also gonna go ahead and do while I'm at it is go ahead and get some fresh gas. I'm going to see what I can do to get the gas that's currently in it right now out of it, because that gas has been in there since the beginning of winter, and it's also the wrong kind of gas for this kind of vehicle. I put 87 in there by accident instead of premium 90. So I gotta change that out. Or sorry, premium 85. 87 is the mid-grade. But I put 85 in the vehicle instead of premium 90, which is what the vehicle takes. So I'm going to be trying to figure out how to get that out of there, and I can use it elsewhere if it's still somewhat good. And then after that, put some fresh gas in her, clear her injectors out, and hopefully fire her up. So stay tuned for that video. So this is another progress update video as far as my car. I would be recording it outside, but it kind of sort of ended up getting too dark to film, so I'm going to go ahead and do this now here inside where I've got plenty of light. The vehicle is now running. I've changed out the gas that was in it with the proper gas. So the next thing on my agenda for at least tomorrow, if I can get to it, is to replace the final spark plug on the vehicle that I have yet to be able to get to. Once that is done, she should be able to run somewhat normal. And then after that, it's just a matter of doing an oil change, getting all that old sludgy oil out of it. And yeah, so there will be a part 2. So as I stated in my previous video, it did end up getting too dark outside. But tomorrow when I get the chance, once I get the spark plug replaced, I will most definitely record a short video of me firing it up. So keep a lookout for that video, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace.